cute.
I cannot believe we will be in 2026 in a few months. Been working very hard on my patience because, honey, I am very impatient.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh. My inhibitions fade away. Can't think with my head, my gut won't let me change. Try to deny, but you beg me to taste. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby. Like a weapon, you slay me forever. Connected like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
How cute.
Church was absolutely amazing Sunday. I am so glad we made it. We were a little late, but look at God. Not like we have assigned seats, but everybody knows that's where we sit. And luckily, I was just like, oh gosh, they're gonna assume we're not coming. We have a couple at church that we always kind of sit near, so usually they'll save us seats if somebody comes and we're not there at our usual early time. Y'all, we were running so behind, but look at God. When we got there, our seats were there. Our friends didn't even make it this past Sunday. So look, that was all God. We had our seats. It wasn't jam-packed. We thought we may have to sit in overflow, but y'all, it was good. And the sermon was always right on time. That's my ask of you and of me this week, is to extend grace to people. That's something I'm really working on, y'all. I've been working very hard on my patience because, honey, I am very impatient. And really just, there's some pet peeves that I have when it comes to people. That won't change. I am almost 51, so I am set in my ways and I know what I will accept and what I will not. That's boundaries. I encourage you to set them if you have not. But life is good. No complaints. It's been a great week, a great weekend, a great week so far. I'm gonna make some tacos and I'll probably take you along with me. Just my little, taco mix by McCormick's, nothing special. But I add my special ingredient to my meats. I like a little kick to it. And I love that stuff. We keep it on hand. So stay tuned for that. But y'all, other than that, I cannot believe we're moving right along this year. I cannot believe we will be in 2026 in a few months. It's crazy. It is crazy. But what do you all have planned this weekend? And y'all, please, if you don't mind, remember to pay attention to my community tab or the post tab on my homepage. I will provide updates there and have a few asks of you. I want to do a Q&A session very soon. Maybe I'll do it in a live stream or maybe an upload, but I need y'all's help. I need questions, okay? Now, if I don't get enough questions, I'll just look up standard questions that people typically do on Q&As and I'll just answer them, okay? So it may come to that, to where these are not questions that you asked me directly, but these are just general questions that I'll go off of. So anyway, y'all, Layla is still outside. Let me see what she's doing. And I am going to get back in here. We're still waiting on these computer issues. Hopefully it'll be rectified soon, y'all. That's always the case. And I'm like, if it's not a Monday, it's a Tuesday. It's always something here. But y'all, I need to deep condition my hair. I need to run to the beauty supply store. I need to grab a few groceries too. My husband stopped at Publix to get some greens, a big bag of greens, because I wanted some turnip greens again. I love those things. And they were completely out. I was like, seriously? Hold on, y'all. Let's see. I couldn't believe that. So he said he would just stop at another store. So I can cook them sometime, maybe this week, if not this weekend. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. But y'all, other than that, let me think. I'm trying to think where I left off in the last vlog. I'm all over the place, y'all. And I'm trying to keep these vlogs in order as best I can. Because, honey, when I say I had about 5 or 6 videos that I have not edited, that's some work, honey. And it's confusing because some I have on my Mac computer, some I have on my MacBook Pro. Girl, I need to upload in one place and keep it going. I'm making this harder on myself. But anyway, y'all, I am rambling now. I'm just going to get off here and I will pick back up with the tacos for dinner. So happy Taco Tuesday. Let me know if you participate, if you do Taco Tuesday in your home, and what do you make? What's your favorite recipe? I am going to share with you guys, it's a taco. It's kind of like a in-between Italian but Mexican dish, like a Mexican spaghetti. I'll have to share that on this page because it was a hit. And I've had so many people ask me for the recipe, so I'll share it here probably in the next vlog or two, but keep an eye out for that. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Hopefully our issues are resolved for work. I can get this day going and we'll get on those tacos. But have a great day, y'all.